Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create mostly beauty videos, fragrance, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So there has been a latte inspired makeup trend going around. I've been seeing it all over social media, and I thought, why not recreate my version of a caramel latte look? So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna get started by perfecting the skin. This is a really clean, not too heavy complexion look. So I wanna go ahead and perfect the skin ahead of time. That way I can get a very lightweight coverage look. I'm gonna use MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer to go ahead and conceal my pigmentation. Because this is going to be a very luminous type look to the skin, I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Primer, and I'm going to blend that with my IT Cosmetics No. 7 brush. So now that I've sort of perfected the base and we have this nice luminous base underneath, I'm going to use the Forever Natural Nude foundation from Dior. This is going to give us a super lightweight skin-like complexion. One pump is definitely enough for my entire face. And I'm going to blend with that same No. 7 brush from IT Cosmetics. For concealer, I'm going to use the Forever Skin Correct from Dior. I'm going to blend out my highlight with my Beauty Blender sponge, starting from the outer edges, working my way upward. Using the Real Techniques buffing brush, I'm going to blend my contour. To set my highlighted areas, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder. Because we want the look to be very bronzy, I'm going in with the Absolute Pro New York bronzer. This one's in the color Dark. I'm going to be strategic with the color choices that I make because I don't want it to be like a reddish bronzy look, if you get what I mean. We want to stay with the more yellowish, orangey, golden, and not too red. And a lot of my bronzers can kind of turn red, which I don't mind, but it's not for this look. So I'm going in with the Lip Bar palette, and I'm going to take the darkest color, a little bit around the perimeter. And I feel like this shade gives more caramel than red on my skin. The name of the color is Contour Flossin'. The brows of the latte look on the pictures that I've seen are pretty much like that bushy look. So I'm going to keep the hair sort of brushed up and fill it in with a pencil because I feel like that's going to give me the most hair-like appearance. I'm going to add a few more hair-like strokes using my Good Brow Day waterproof brow pen. Moving on to the eyeshadow look, I'm going to take the same Absolute New York Pro bronzer and the other side of my IT Cosmetic brush, and I'm going to sweep this bronzer throughout the midsection of my lid. Using my Hello Beautiful Cella palette, I think this is the perfect palette with all the colors that would be perfect for this sort of look. I'm going to blend this brown in my crease. And then I'm going to take this gold color and pack that all over my lid. Going in with the Coffee Shop palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going to take the deep brown here and blend that in my outer crease area. For liner, I'm going to take my LA Girl Precision pencil. This one's in the color brown. And I'm going to smudge the top and the bottom liner. I'm going to take my MAC Loose Gold powder and then I'm going to pop it right in the center of my lid. So I'm going to take this brown and smudge it underneath the liner. And then add a little bit of bronze underneath there too. Taking my Sephora liquid liner in the color chocolate, I'm going to do just like a little baby wing. For mascara, I'm going to use the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lash from Charlotte Tilbury. For blush, I'm going to use Format from MAC. I'm going to lightly set under the eye with Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Definitely want to go thin with the lashes for this look, preferably just mascara on the top lashes, but my lashes are so short. So I'm going to use these LA Colors Dramatic Lash. I don't know why they're called Dramatic because they're really thin. For lip liner, I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury's Foxy Brown. And I'm going to overdraw with Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk 3 liner. For my lip color, I'm going to use Caramel from Makeup by Mario. To set my entire face, I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Spray. So this is the look. Every single thing that I used today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the